How can I start Irish instruments with no musical experience? Imagine walking through a lively Irish festival, hearing the joyful sounds of fiddles and drums. You might think, I wish I could play too. Well, you can start learning Irish instruments even if you have no musical background. It is easier than you think. First, pick a simple instrument like the tin whistle. It is small, made of metal, and has 6 holes. You only need to blow into it and cover the holes to make different notes. It costs around $10 to $20 and is perfect for beginners. You can find one in Irish music shops or online. Another great choice is the bodhrán, a traditional Irish frame drum. It is played with a wooden stick called a tipper. You do not need to know scales or notes to keep a beat on the bodhrán. It is all about feeling the rhythm. You can buy a beginner bodhrán for about $30 to $50. When you get your instrument, look for beginner tutorials on YouTube. Many videos show how to hold the tin whistle or how to play basic rhythms on the bodhrán. Practice for about 15 minutes every day. Listening to Irish music helps you understand the style and rhythm. Try to find recordings of jigs and reels, which are lively Irish tunes. If you are traveling in Ireland, visit local music shops or community centers. They often hold beginner classes or workshops. These are friendly places where you can try out instruments and meet other learners. Joining a local music session is a fun way to learn. Many sessions welcome beginners and encourage you to join in. Remember, regular practice is key. Focus on playing simple tunes and getting comfortable with your instrument. As you improve, you can learn more complex melodies and ornamentation. If you want to try something a little more advanced, the concertina is a small accordion that is also beginner-friendly. It costs around $50 to $70 for a basic model. The main thing is to enjoy the process and connect with Irish culture through music. With patience and practice, you will find yourself playing traditional Irish tunes in no time. Learning Irish instruments is a wonderful way to bring a piece of Ireland into your life, no matter where you are.